Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video I would like to continue the same chapter first from your Social Studies book that we had started in our previous class. Okay students, so firstly take out your Social Studies book and open the chapter 1. This is me. Okay, open the chapter 1 on the page number 1, and our chapter name is This is Me. So what is our chapter name, students? Our chapter name is This is Me. So in our previous video we had completed the half portion of this chapter. We had completed up to the page number 3 in this chapter, and today we will complete the further portion of this chapter. So students, turn your page and come to the page number 4. So students, open the page number 4 of your chapter first. So students, so here we completed the what we like and what the things we do not like. Okay, so this blanks we filled yesterday, and then we moved on to the body parts name. Okay, so then we moved on my body. Okay, so yesterday we had started this portion and today we will finish it. Okay, today we will complete it. So let's start. So students, I hope you all are aware about your body parts name. So let's start reading about our body, and one by one tell me all the body parts name. Okay students, and I'll ask you and you have to just answer me the body parts name. Any body parts that I will indicate, you just have to answer me their name. Okay, so what is this, students? What is the name of this body part? What is the name of this body part, students? Correct, this is our ear. Okay, this is ear. What is the spelling of ear, students? E-A-R, ear. Good. Now move on to the next. So students, what is this? What's the name of this body part, students? This is our mouth. This is mouth. So what is the spelling of mouth, students? The spelling of mouth is M-O-U-T-H. Repeat after me, students. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. And now tell me, what's the name of this body part, students? This is our neck. So what is the spelling of neck, students? N-E-C-K, neck. Repeat after me, N-E-C-K, neck. And the now next is, what is this, students? What is the name of this body part? This is our chest. What is the spelling of chest, student? C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Good. And what's the name of this body part, students? This is our arm. This is our arm. How to spell it, students? The spelling of arm is A-R-M. The spelling of arm is A-R-M, arm. And now next is, tell me, What's the name of this body part, students? This is our foot. This is our foot. Okay. So what is the spelling of foot, students? The spelling of foot is F-O-O-T. F-O-O-T, foot. Okay. Now move on to the next. So which body part is this, students? This is our head. This is our head. And how to spell it? H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. And now next is eye. What is the spelling of eye, students? The spelling of eye is E-Y-E. What is the spelling of eye, students? The spelling of eye is E-Y-E. Eye. Good. And now next one is nose. Next one is nose. So what is the spelling of nose, students? The spelling of nose is, repeat after me, N-O-S-E. N-O-S-E. Nose. Good. Next one is soldier. Okay. So what is the spelling of soldier, students? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Repeat after me. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Soldier. And the next one is, what is this, students? This is our stomach. This is our stomach. And the spelling of stomach is S-T-O-M-A-C-H. What is the spelling of stomach? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. And then now next one is hand. Okay. So what is the spelling of hand? H-A-N-D. Hand. Okay. And now next one is finger. What is the spelling of finger, students? The spelling of finger is F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Okay. Now next one is knee. Okay. So what is this? This is our knee. Okay. This is called knee. And the spelling of knee is K-N-E-E. K-N-E-E. Knee. Okay. And now next one is leg. Okay. Next one is leg. So this is our leg. Okay. This is our leg. And spelling of leg is L-E-G. Spelling of leg is L-E-G. Now next one is toes. Okay. Next one is toes. What is the spelling of toes, students? The spelling of toes is T-O-E-S. Toes. The spelling of toes is T-O-E-S. Toes. Good. Now students, turn your page and come to the next page. So students, come to the page number 5. So students, look at this box on the page number 5. Here a rhyme is given. So you don't have to learn this rhyme, students. You have to just sing this rhyme for the fun. Okay. You have to sing this rhyme again and again. You have to recite just for fun. Okay. You don't have to learn this rhyme. Is that clear? So what is the name of this rhyme, students? I wish I was bigger. I wish I was bigger. I could climb that tree. Do all the many fun things. Okay. So you have to write. You have to sing this rhyme. Okay, students. And now next one is know someone else. Okay, know someone else. So you have to complete this. Okay, you have to complete this. So firstly, talk to the person sitting beside you. Ask him or her. Okay, so you can ask to your mother, father, or anyone in your family, and you don't have to write about yourself here. You have to write about someone else. Okay, in your family, about your friend, anyone. Okay, you can also write about your friends here. Okay, so first thing that you have to write is which color they like the most. Okay, so someone whom you want to ask, you can ask with your friend, you can ask to your sister, your little brother, or anyone. You can ask them that which color they like the most, and you have to write here their favorite color name. Okay, and then which song they like the most. Okay, and here you have to ask them that which song they like the most. Okay, it means you have to ask their favorite songs. Okay, you have to ask their favorite songs name, and you have to mention it here. Okay, you have to just write down it here. Is that clear? And the next one is which toy they like the most. So if you are asking to your little sister or brother or your friend, you have to ask them that which toy they like the most. So you have to ask them their favorite toy name, and you have to mention it here. Okay, their favorite toy name. And the next thing that you have to ask them is which book they like the most. Okay, so here you have to write their favorite book's name. Okay, you have to go and ask them that what is their favorite book name, and you have to write down it here. Simple. Is that clear, students? And the next one is which cartoon they like the most. So here you have to write your friends or your sisters, whomever you are asking. You can ask them which cartoon they like the most. It means their favorite cartoon name, and you have to write here their favorite cartoon name. Understand? Now tell the class what you know about the person. Okay, so you have to anyone, it may be your friend, it may be your brother or sister, anyone in your family member, or any of your friends. You can ask about them, and you have to write their favorite things here. Okay, is that clear? Good. And now turn your page and come to the next page. So now students, here you can see here a very interesting things is given. So here a picture of balloons is given. A little boy is holding it. Okay, a picture of balloon is given. You have to just color this picture with your favorite color. Okay, you have to color this picture, the picture of balloon, in your favorite colors. Is that clear, students? So this is your homework. You have to ask your friends or any family member their favorite things and write down it here. You can take the help of your guardians or your parents to do this task. And the next is you have to color this picture with your favorite colors. So don't forget to complete your homework, and see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.